Effesub represents one of the newest and most modern productive and trading enterprises in the Italian diving industry. The Serenio headquarters cover a total surface of 12,000 square meters, 5,000 of which are covered, and gives work to 25 people. Effesub carries out its activity according to the ISO 9001-2000 quality standard certification. The headquarters coordinate all the activities of the company, and it is here that the trading and administrative offices are located. The in-house technical department is in charge of the research, the development and the design of every effesub product, using the most advanced information technologies and sophisticated test and measurement instruments. The design process undergoes rigorous functional tests using both a 5-meter deep pool present inside the structure of the company and open water tests. The warehouse where the finished products are stored is completely computerized, and the goods collection is performed using optical instruments coordinated with the central information system. All articles are identified with barcodes, and the handling of the materials is carried out with a specific AS400 system. Every effesub product is assembled with craftsmanlike care and undergoes rigorous quality tests. Great care is taken with the packaging, which is done using skin pack, blister and hot film machines in order to guarantee the perfect maintenance and integrity of the goods. Effesub is the only Italian diving company that invests in its own technologies to follow the operating life of tanks, starting from production up to the delicate periodical requalification process. Effesub produces and requalifies tank valve assemblies respecting the PED 9723 European Directive. The requalification is carried out with the most modern technologies, and all the phases of the process are conducted inside the company. The requirements set by the law are rigorously respected, and every tank is put through over 25 standard operations. The tumbling, the determination of the thickness with ultrasonic machines, and the requalification test up to a pressure of 350 bars are particularly qualifying. The process ends with the indelible stamping of the tank and the issuing of the documents that certify the continuance of the safety requirements. Effesub designs and manufactures a wide range of regulators in compliance with the EN 250-2002 standard. As regulators are safety devices, in order to guarantee their absolute reliability, Effesub applies rigorous quality control procedures on every single component during the manufacturing, assembling and testing phases. Before it's put into production, every new regulator goes through accurate functional and resistance tests. Regulators undergo working cycles that in a short period of time reproduce their entire operational life. Every single effesub regulator is accurately tuned and tested in a special hyperbaric chamber, which simulates working conditions up to a depth of 65 meters in order to guarantee perfect functioning in all operative conditions. At the end of the tests, the resulting data is documented in a specific graph, which is included in the regulator's packaging. All these procedures allow effesub to guarantee its regulators for a period of 10 years. Effesub has located its production of wetsuits and neoprene accessories in its own premises in Genova, Bolzaneto, that have a covered surface of 1,700 square meters where over 15,000 sheets of neoprene can be stored. After the qualitative analysis, the raw material is identified and stored. Particular attention is paid to turning the sheets over periodically in order to maintain the technical characteristics unchanged. Every material mix and every lining is tested in our laboratory that studies the thermic, structural, elastic and pressure resistance features. These factors are indispensable to obtain the CE certification and to offer users the most suitable neoprene for each specific use. Effesub handles all the production phases of the wetsuits internally. The cutting is carried out with craftsman-like care, using the most modern technologies. The gluing stage is done respecting constant temperature and humidity parameters, and the sewing is carried out by qualified personnel. The production process ends with a further quality control before the manufactured suit is placed in its sealed guarantee package.